Hello. Hello and welcome to the Advanced Features video of the JSTOR database. In this search, I am going to show you a few advanced features that you can use to find sources that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and start by clicking on the Advanced Search link here. This is going to bring up the Advanced Search page. Here you can type in what you want to search for, and let's just say we were writing a paper on the Fauvtism movement, and say we wanted to specifically talk about Henri Matisse. Go ahead and type that in. Here you can go ahead and narrow it by articles or books, pamphlets, reviews. We're just going to go ahead and leave that blank for now. You can also narrow it by dates or particular journals. As you can see, there are a lot of categories to choose from here. For our purposes, we're going to go ahead and click on the art and history. Now, you can go ahead and expand this. It shows that there are 169 titles in here of periodicals. If you knew which ones in particular you wanted to use, you could click on those, but for now, we're just going to go ahead and click on the entire category, and then we're going to go ahead and click search, and this is going to bring up another page. These are the results that we have. Looks like we have quite a nice selection here. There are actually 175 results. If we wanted to go ahead and narrow that, if you felt that was too many, you could always just do it. Looks like it's journals and chapters of books. But you could also go by year or subject. So for our purposes, I would just go ahead and let's see here. Let's look at this one looks good. So click on this, and then this is going to go ahead and bring it up. So this is a journal, and this looks like a good source talking about seeing Matisse whole. Let's click through there. So if I wanted to go ahead and save this, I could just click the download PDF, and then I could go ahead and download this straight to my computer. So really handy. The next thing that we're going to talk about is the text analyzer. Now this is a neat little feature. If we go back to the home page, it's right here under Advanced Search. Just go ahead and click on Text Analyzer. And what this does is essentially read your paper or your text and tell you what it's about. So let's just go ahead and drop some text in here. And this is reading it right now. It's going to tell me what this is about. You would use this, like, let's say that you don't want to miss any sources for a research paper, or you just need some keywords. You would go ahead and use this. Okay, now this is interesting. Here are the results. Yeah, so these are the results. It's pretty cool. It prioritizes it, like it's saying this one is the most relevant. If you hover over it, it'll tell you like what percentage. Like this is a lot about the motion picture industry, a little about copyright laws, and also about archives administration. But you can scroll down here, and each one's a little bit different. This one's, again, motion picture industry and archives administration. It also has this little, like, word clouds here. So this is telling you, what this is really about. So as I said, you would just upload your article, and then this analyzer reads it. It figures out what it's about, and then it'll give you the results here. Essentially, this is a new way to search. It's great. So if you go through here and you find, let's look at this. Maybe, I don't know, let's just click on this one. Let's say this one looks good to you. So you'd click on it, and again, it's going to show you the article. You can go ahead and preview it and see if that looks like something that you would be interested in. And then you can just go ahead and click download PDF and download it straight to your computer. It's that And this concludes our special features video. I hope you enjoy using the JSTOR database and find it helpful in your searching endeavors. Thank you.